Ho, ho, ho! It's Christmas time in the Schuster home, and that means decorating for Christmas, wrapping presents, getting into the holiday spirit, and most of all, baking cookies. I've been seeing embossed rolling pins, and now that I have a rotary CNC, I decided I want to try doing a customized embossed rolling pin just for our family. I designed the project in VCarve Pro. For the CNC geeks out there, here's a setup screen I used. I used a simple VCarve toolpath for the carving. The first step was to glue up some maple so I would have something thick enough for a rolling pin. Next, I found the center point of the glued up block and drilled a 1/2-inch hole in both ends. From there, I tapped the hole with a 1/2-inch bolt. You'll understand why in a second. When you look at the rolling pin, you can see I used that hole I just tapped to attach it to the CNC. At this point, I'm just skimming the pin to make it nice and round. And here I'm doing the final pass on the skimming to make it round. And now we finally carved the design into the rolling pin. I used a 45-degree V-point bit for this. If I were a real YouTube creator, I would add Christmas music right here. But I'm just a bare bones video creator. So everyone needs to sing Jingle Bells for this part of the video. Seriously, Jingle Bells. Don't make it weird, sing it. Jingle Bells, go! Here's the final rolling pin. It's reversed just like a printing press, but it'll come out right in the end on the cookie. I would love to tell you how this makes baking custom designed cookies simple. I am just sad to say that just ain't so. I spent an hour and a half just to make 8 cookies. The dough has to be nice and thick so it holds the shape through the baking process. So they're pretty much shortbread, which I love. The problem is that you need to use quite a bit of pressure to get it to take that shape. When you do that, the dough sticks to the mold. I tried using many things to try to keep it from sticking. And in the end, the only thing that worked reasonably well was to oil the rolling pin before each pass. So in the end, I have to say it's a great novelty item, but not practical at all. I sincerely hope you enjoyed my entry for the 2019 Gatton Christmas CNC Challenge. Merry Christmas, everyone.